Well, that's a wrap. Exciting day we've had today, with the participants enjoying some transformations on many levels, and also opening their eyes to how emotions do affect our lives and how we project out into our communities, into our homes. Now, here's what some of the participants had to say.
Hi, my name is Delara and I came to Kirsten's I Am Limitless workshop today because I wanted to remove any negative and stuck energy that I've been harboring, and I felt that I resonated with the workshop so much. I've worked with Kirsten before one-on-one and I think she is an amazing lady, and I believe that everyone should come to her workshops and learn from her. Thank you so much, Kirsten. I learned a lot today.
My name is Linda. We're at a business builders, and Kath asked me if I was going to go, and I said I did see that, but I'm not sure, but I did the 4, 3, 2, 1 method. I said yes, I'll go. So I'm actually supposed to be at work, but I'm here. My takeaways was that it's okay to work on myself, and that is the theme for this year for me, because I have 4 children. I'm always working and helping other people, and I thought this year is going to be about me, so I'm so glad I came. Yeah.
And what would you say to someone to encourage them to come along?
Oh, absolutely do it. I didn't think it was going to be so fantastic. I did have a massive cry and released a lot of stuff, but that's part and parcel of growing as a person, and definitely do it. It is absolutely amazing. I was blown away. Yeah.
Hi, my name's Catherine. I've followed Kirsten since I saw her in Brisbane last year with Cherie Burton, and I have loved reading her lovely book, How to Remain Calm in the Midst of Chaos. So I really wanted to come and see her in the flesh today and learn a little bit more.
And what was your takeaway from today, and any highlights?
I think it's just again delving deep into things that are holding us back, and to get out of our comfort zone, and to start sharing why we were put on this earth to help others. Yeah.
And what would you say to someone to encourage them to come along to an I Am Limitless event?
I'd say just, again, get out of your comfort zone. It's going to help you to seek your truth and to really open up. So, yeah.
My name's Marita Hemingway. I did Kirsten and Cherie's session at Brisbane for the training, and I found it was the most sort of beneficial for me out of all of the training. So yeah, I figured I'd get something out of today.
What was your takeaway from today, and any highlights?
Probably just all the healing of the chakras.
And what would you say to someone to encourage them to come along to an I Am Limitless event?
They certainly won't be disappointed, and they'll certainly get something out of it. And even if it's just a better understanding of their oils, everybody benefits from it. Like, yeah, everyone needs it.
Hello, my name's Siobhan. Today I heard about it being I Am Limitless, and knew it was about breaking through some limiting beliefs and looking at emotions and oils, and I'm always open to growing and learning new things, so I was interested in seeing what it was. I didn't know much about it at all. Some of my highlights were actually doing the work and being able to come in and then learn about things and implement that and do the practice, instead of feeling like you go away and you have a lot of information that you don't know what to do with it. So it was great to actually do the practices through it. And a highlight was some of the visualizations and connecting different things together that I hadn't really realized before, and it was cool. I just learned things probably about myself that I didn't quite spend time going deep into previously. Take a leap of faith. Give it a shot. It's a really safe environment, and you're completely open to do and participate and contribute or not contribute as much as you want, and it's a great opportunity to ask yourself some questions when you've got someone there that can help you through things that might be challenging for you. And it was fun, really great leader leading the program, and a bunch of people that were here, and really great way to look into yourself and learn a bit more. Yes, thank you.
So if any of that resonates with you, I would love to see you at the next event that we hold. We have them around the country. Just pop into my Facebook page, Our Life Essentials Kirsten Marriott, and keep an eye out for those. I look forward to meeting you and helping you to live a limitless life.